a visit to the park. So, a park is a place where the air is fresh, birds sing sweetly, and flowers bloom all around, right? So, when you visit a park, it feels like it's a perfect place to relax, play, and enjoy the nature, right? So, how do you describe a park? When you went to a park, someone asked, "What have you done inside a park? Why are you going to the park?" So, today in this video, we are going to know what you are going to tell. Okay? So, let's start reading with me. Okay? If you want to write down, then you can also write. Read aloud with me this paragraph. A visit to the park. Last Sunday, I went to the park with my family. Last Sunday, I went to the park with my family. So, when did you last visit to the park? Tell me in the comment section. The weather was pleasant and the sky was clear. So, the weather, you want to write down the spelling of weather? You can write down weather. Weather was pleasant. 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 And the sky was clear. Clear. The park was full of green trees, colorful flowers, and fresh air. The park was full of green trees. So, do you know the spelling of green? Green is a color, right? Here is the green color, you can see, right? Green. Green. Colorful. Colourful. Colorful. Now, flowers. 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 And fresh air. fresh. Fresh air. Okay. I saw many children playing on the swings, slides, and seesaws. I saw many children, children, playing, playing on the swings, swings. This is the swing. Slides, slides. And seesaws, seesaws. So, have you ever played in swings or slides or seesaws? Which one do you like the most? Tell me in the comment section. I played with my friends and ran on the grass. I played with my friends, friends, and ran on the grass. We also fed some birds and saw butterflies. We also fed some birds and saw butterflies. 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 After playing, we sat on a bench and ate snacks. After playing, we sat on a bench, 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 and ate snacks, snacks, snacks. I felt very happy and relaxed. I felt very happy, happy, and relaxed, relaxed. Visiting the park is always fun and keeps me healthy and active. Visiting the park. Visiting, visiting. Visiting the park is always, always, always fun and keeps me healthy, healthy and active, active. I love going to the park. So do you love to going to the park? Okay, so this is the paragraph you are going to tell. Now, once again, read with me. Okay? A visit to the park. Last Sunday, I went to the park with my family. The weather was pleasant and the sky was clear. The park was full of green trees, colorful flowers, and fresh air. I saw many children playing on the swings, slides, and seesaws. I played with my friends and ran on the grass. We also fed some birds and saw butterflies. After playing, we sat on a bench and ate snacks. I felt very happy and relaxed. Visiting the park is always fun and keeps me healthy and active. I love going to the park. Thank you for watching, my little ones. Do like, share and subscribe and keep following Kidoctive Homeschooling.